Hello everyone, this is Saima Altaf with my YouTube channel English Learning and Chit Chat. As the name suggests, on my channel you are going to have a bulk of knowledge chunks and volumes of other interesting and useful content. So be prepared for having videos on regular basis on English language and literature, phonetics and linguistics, and more importantly on grammar that especially aims at school and college levels. An important feature of my YouTube channel is that I have chosen English and Urdu, both the languages, as a medium for my videos so that the viewers who speak the Urdu language may be able to understand and learn the English language and literature quite easily. It will help them a lot in making their concepts clear and having a smart and strong command over the language. But guys, this is not end of the story, because on my channel, along with the learning of English language and literature, you are gonna have a plenty of spellbinding and mesmerizing videos on the very informative and gripping topics and ideas. And the very significant part of it, that the little ones, the little chaps are not forgotten. There is a very loving and special package for them. You will find a lot of fascinating and thrilling videos to teach them the English language and the ways of everyday life. So stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you may not miss any video. Coming to our today's topic, that is the basic unit of language, that is word. And I think choosing this topic makes a proper and legitimate start for me to teach you the English language from the very basics. Word sounds simple, isn't it? But it is not as simple as it seems, because even the linguists have not been able to find a fully satisfying answer to the question, what is a word? Let's start simply. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, to X, Y, Z. So we can say a letter or a meaningful group of letters is called a word. उर्दू में मैं यूँ कहूँगी कि हरूफ तहज्जी में से कोई हर्फ या हरूफ का बामानी मजमुआ लफ्ज़ कहलाता है. Let's take an example. A, B and T are three letters. When we arrange them in a meaningful manner, B plus A plus T, it becomes bad. That forms a word. But if we arrange these three letters as ABT or TBA, they are the group of letters, but they are not the words because they are not meaningful. So, a sensible group of letters is called a word. Guys, can you guess any shortest words of the English language? Yeah, these are A and I. Let's take another view, guys. A word is a speech sound or a mixture or combination of speech sounds or its representation in written form. It communicates a specific meaning and may consist of a single morpheme or a combination of morphemes. Guys, morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit of language that cannot be divided further. उर्दू में मैं इस तरह से कहूँगी कि मुंह से निकाली गई बामानी आवाज़ या ऐसी बामानी आवाज़ों का मजमुआ या उनको तहरीर की शक्ल देना अल्फाज कहलाता है। हम इसकी एग्ज़ाम्पल यूँ लेंगे, रॉक्स, फेथ एंड faithfulness. Guys, though faithfulness is a single word, but it consists of more than one morpheme. Let's see what David Crystal says in his work, The Cambridge Encyclopedia of the English Language. A word is the smallest unit of grammar that can stand alone as a complete utterance separated by spaces in written language and potentially by pauses in speech. Guys, you can see the space between the words that and can, and similarly you can see the space between the words can and stand. And I hope that you people are able to understand what I am talking to you, because I am applying the required pauses in my speech so that my speech is understandable to the listeners. Well guys, in the work The Cambridge Grammar of the English Language, it is said a grammar is divided into two major components, syntax and morphology. Guys, syntax is the study of the formation of phrases, clauses and sentences from the words, and morphology is the study of the formation of words. So this thing that a grammar is divided into two major components, syntax and morphology, shows the status of the words as the basic linguistic unit, because syntax and morphology both deal with the word content. So guys, I hope that today's topic may be helpful for you in understanding what is the status of the word in English language, and we have seen it that it is the basic unit of the language. And I hope that you like the video and you share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you may not miss any video from my side. Thank you.